What is up, my friends? In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your laptop. To do this, you're going to need some Dawn dish soap, or any type of dish soap will do, some isopropyl rubbing alcohol, the percentage, this is 70%, but the percentage doesn't matter, a couple microfiber cloths, and also either a blowing device or a sucking device. I prefer a sucking device, which would mean a vacuum with a brush attachment. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure you unplug your laptop and hit your little power button to make sure it is powered off completely. First thing we want to do is to clean the outside of the laptop. To do that, we need to make a little DIY mixture here. So get you 1 cup of warm water, put you about a squirt or a few drops of your favorite dish soap in. Right about like that. Mix it around. And this is where we need our microfiber cloth. So take you a microfiber cloth, dip it in here, and then you're going to make sure you wring it out. You want this thing to be damp. You don't want it dripping water because you don't want to get water down inside your laptop. So wring it out really good. Take your microfiber cloth and just start giving it a little wipe down. I prefer little round circular motions. And take you a dry microfiber cloth to dry afterwards. After you finish cleaning the exterior of the laptop, let's open it up and clean the interior. Specifically, the laptop screen. Dampen a second microfiber cloth and wring out the excess water. From that point, give the entire screen a good wipe down, removing all fingerprint smears, splotches, and splatters along the way. Don't get impatient though and start rubbing too hard and fast. If you rub too hard, you could distort the pixels. Take your time and gently clean the screen 1 stroke at a time. I don't recommend using your dish soap mixture for this process or using any type of chemicals on the screen, simply because different screens have different types of coatings and you don't want to mess them up by applying the wrong cleaning chemical. After you've cleaned the entire screen, use a separate cloth to dry the screen if needed to avoid any type of streaking. Next thing we want to do is to move on to the keyboard of the laptop. To clean your laptop keyboard, like I said, I give you 2 options, a sucking device or a blowing device. As I mentioned, I prefer the sucking device, a good old-fashioned vacuum with a brush attachment. I should also mention that if you want to clean this part of the laptop, you can use that Dawn dish soap water mixture. Take your microfiber cloth and you can just start wiping around the keyboard if you have all this extra space. To finish off the keyboard, just dab the end of a microfiber cloth into some isopropyl alcohol and give the keys a good wipe down. This alcohol works way better than any type of dishwashing solution because the alcohol will evaporate almost immediately. Plus, you don't want to get any type of water down inside your keyboard. Lastly, you want to clean your vents and your ports. This is your USB port. This is for your little SD card, of course. Charging port, more USB ports, but you want to make sure you clean these out. And then back here, you have, of course, all of this. So I don't want to use any type of blowing device or canned air. You can do that, but in my case, I prefer obviously to use the sucking device. Once again, the vacuum with the brush attachment. So that's it, my friends. Thanks so much for checking out the video. We have a nice clean laptop now. Good to have. If you like this video, give it a big clean with confidence thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And if you liked this video, you'll probably like this video right here on the screen entitled How to Clean Your Flat Screen TV. Check it out next, and I will see y'all in the next video.